Melissa, did the bees come from the post office?
Yes.
Oh my.
Oh, is that the queen bee?
That's the queen bee. I see the queen bee in there. The queen bee is marked white.
Oh, okay, I see her. She's bigger.
And that's the court. Okay, I put a piece of candy, soft candy, in front of the queen's hole. Not a lot, just a little bit. I got the queen in the hive. Sugar water on them, so that makes them feel less the survival mode. And you see, I've not been stung yet. Now in 2 or 3 months, when they have babies, eggs, and honey, they won't have the same demeanor as they do right now. And I could be stung. Now, I didn't get every one of them out, but that's okay. I'm going to sit these last few down here, and they'll find their way. Now, here's some comb that they started building while they sat in transit. I don't have any use for this comb because I want them to build a comb on the frames, but they will take this comb and reuse it on the established frames. I feel the bees land in my hair. I hear them next to my ears, but I don't swat them, okay? I let it go. They're just curious. They're excited. They're not a dangerous bee. These are a hybrid Russian bee. They're not the African killer bees, but they're known to be rather aggressive, these Russian bees. But as you see, I'm okay with them. They're not terribly aggressive with me. Do you have any questions?
Well, will they eventually all go in the box?
They'll all go in the box. I
Don't worry
could
about
use smoke and smoke them, but you know what? If you use a lot of smoke on your bees, they're
Don't worry
not
about it,
going to
Melissa.
be nice. Okay, smoke hurts them. Now, when I get into them during the summer, that's the only way to keep them from being aggressive. But right now, they're not real aggressive. They're not going to sting. They just want to get established. Now, if you look at Melissa here, my daughter, there's a bee on her. She's a little bit concerned. She picked up the bees at the post office, and she probably has some honey on her. But, you know, really, honeybees are okay. They can sting, and they can't kill. But they're gentle insects.